Hello again, this is Dr. Anthony Rack of Euclid Chiropractic Clinic in Upland. We talked about this last week, our excerpts from Dr. Chestnut's book, A Wellness Prevention Paradigm. You can actually see his video where he explains the medical approach to health and how it has not been working on Thursday's blog insert, which was his video of why we are so sick. It's about, I think, a 5-minute, 35-second video. Phenomenal. Talked to the first part of the book. We talked about today, and we're talking about this week, was really lifestyle choices that Dr. Chestnut talks about we have to make to keep ourselves healthy. That has to be our primary goal, how to get and stay healthy. And the first, if you want to call it, entry we put on Tuesday was how our animal species, being humans along with animals, we are part of the animal species, meaning that our natural laws do not make humans above that, if you want to call it that. Meaning that we don't feed our animals junk food. We don't feed our animals soda. So why is it okay for our physiology, our bodies, to accept that versus our dog or our cats? It's not, people. We have to understand that what we're doing in our bodies when we insert those foods into them, it really does break our bodies down faster, makes our overall lifespan shorter, makes us unhealthier overall. Another article we did too was really on the stressors and how our body's affected by health. Realize Dr. Chestnut isn't a medical doctor, he's a chiropractor, but more importantly, he's a wellness doctor. I know some medical doctors are wellness doctors too. Their job is to make sure people change their lifestyles as a priority versus rely on medication. On our understanding of health and sickness, Dr. Chestnut talks about how health comes from homeostasis, which is our balance within our body, and a balance of our environment too, how we interact with that. And part of that is how our body is affected by stressors or stress. Stress, as we relate ourselves right now, is how we're going to feed our families this month, how we're going to deal with stresses at family, with work, and right now with the holidays too. That's a mental stress. What Dr. Chestnut talks about is physical stress in our bodies by the foods we eat, also the stress of not exercising, of not staying active for one. That in turn makes your bodies change to where it become diabetic, obese, and those things can lead to cancers and diseases. So realizing you have control of your lifestyle, what you can do to keep yourself healthy. Another article we talked about this week was a research Dr. Chestnut brings up that basically validates his belief system by research the last 20 years or so. You can read some of that too from, I think, Wednesday's blog. So look at this stuff this week and realize you are involved in your health. Medicine isn't going to fix that for you. Once you're sick in the medical world, you're almost sick forever. I have a friend right now whose son was diagnosed with Crohn's disease, and he's being told he has medication for the rest of his life. His dad does not believe that, and for good reason. But one thing is realize again too, it's up to you to really keep yourself healthy. Talk to Chad about our intern. It takes time and effort to get healthy. Time to learn what are good foods for you. Time to learn how to exercise and maintain that routine of better exercise and better nutrition through your habits that you form every day. So any questions, give us a call at the office. If not, we'll talk to you next week. Again, it's Euclid Chiropractic Clinic. We're a whole body health center. We want to help you restore your health from the inside out. Have a great weekend.